So, a couple of days back, I conducted a poll on my Facebook page mentioning two choices. One was anime or manga character, and second one was comic toon character, as you can see. And you wonderful peeps chose comic toons character. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Dipps and you are watching Dipps.Sketch. So hello there once again, and as you can see for the photo, I took one reference from an original image or a poster that was out for the movie Joker, which is trending for a couple of days, or I must say weeks now, and has been nominated globally for the best movie. So yeah, I took the image as a reference and I am drawing outline, as you can see. For the shadow phase, I took the pencil tool and marked out the phases which I thought would be the shadow region of the illustration. and I took an off grayish type color and filled it with all the marked regions from the pencil tools. And yeah, like this I finished my shadow face. So this illustration piece is not just an illustration piece, it also contains some part of an animation. So for the animation phase, I transferred this illustration AI file to Adobe Animate CC, which is a flash file or flash software rather. And as you can see, since my illustration piece is vector type file, so when I transferred this file to Animate CC, my piece didn't get rasterized. So for the animation part, I basically animated the Joker's laugh by keyframe animations and it turned out really well. So yeah, I'll not talk more and leave you to the final results. Peace. So that's it for the video. If you liked it, please consider dropping a like on my video, and yeah, subscribe since this is a very new channel, so I need your support the most. So yeah, share it with your friends and let them know that this is a new channel and this needs to grow more so that I can gift you with more such amazing videos and illustrations. So yeah, you are watching episode 2 of Dipps.Sketch and I'm your host Dipps, officially signing off. Peace.